Hello, so Apple Watch Series 10 provides an estimate of VO2 max, but its accuracy can actually vary depending on several factors. So basically the VO2 max is it's actually measured of the maximum amount of oxygen our body can utilize during intense exercise, and it's actually a key indicator for cardiovascular fitness. So this device actually calculates VO2 max during, outdoor walks, runs, hikes, basically all of these outdoor activities by using heart rate, GPS data, and other metrics like age and our body weight. And while this gives a reasonable estimate for general fitness trends, it is not it's not as precious as professional tests, such as conducted in a lab using a mask to measure oxygen intake directly. So this VO2 max estimates are useful for tracking progress actually over the time, but however the accuracy can be affected by heart rate, by GPS signal, and for example environment factors like the temperature or terrain. So this is quick information for you, and thanks for watching.